case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Blagg v. Fred Hunt Company, Inc., a 1981 case heard by the Arkansas Supreme Court, Ted Blagg and Kathye Blagg filed a complaint against housebuilder Fred Hunt Company, Inc. The Blaggs alleged that the carpet and pad installed in their home by the company emitted a strong odor and fumes from formaldehyde, causing property damage. The trial court initially dismissed count 1 of the complaint due to lack of privity, but denied the motion on count 2. The Arkansas Supreme Court, in a case of first impression, ruled that the builder-vendor's implied warranty of fitness for habitation extends to subsequent purchasers for a reasonable length of time, as long as there is no substantial change or alteration in the building's condition from the original sale. The court held that strict liability applied to the property damage in a house, and found that the term product covered both houses and automobiles. Consequently, they affirmed the trial judge's ruling on count 2 and reversed it on count 1. The decision showcased the application of strict liability and the extension of the implied warranty of fitness for habitation doctrine to the realty field.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.